If we go back to our project folder, you'll see a new folder called Bower Components here. And if we expand it, you'll see our one component that we have, normalize.css. We'll expand that, and you can see our normalize.css here. If I hit space in Mac in order to preview it, you can see that it's version 3.0.3. The package comes with some additional files along with just the CSS file, a README file that includes some additional information about how normalize is supposed to be used, a license, and then a bower.json file. Now, if you haven't heard about JSON, we have some videos about it on Build a Module, but the basic idea is that it's a set of key value pairs. So just a name and a value. If we open this up, I'm just going to do a quick preview of it. You see a name here, which is actually called name, and then a value, normalize CSS. You see a version, you see the name of the next bit of data, which is version here, and then it gives you the version, 3.0.3. And so a JSON file is basically for settings. In this case, we're conveying information like the name, version, and author. And if this were a more complicated package, it would also include a list of dependencies that were required by this particular package.